Virtual Beings News Summary July 13, 2025. Ananta, described as an anime GTA, is set to showcase at Tokyo Game Show 2025, representing a new generation of RPG experiences with advanced avatar systems. Marvel Rivals has introduced a limited-time Phoenix Discord avatar decoration, though it has generated controversy among the gaming community. The Esports World Cup 2025 features Fatal Fury, Crown of the Wolves tournament with detailed avatar customization systems. The Sims 4 has launched its Enchanted by Nature update, introducing fairy-themed avatars with specialized abilities and wing customization options, targeting cottagecore and magical gaming aesthetics. Unity Software and Genies have formed a strategic partnership to integrate AI avatar and content creation tools directly into Unity's development platform, enabling developers to create sophisticated avatars and in-game assets more efficiently. The broadcasting industry is experiencing a transformation through virtual beings technology. HighField AI has launched the broadcast industry's first agentic and multimodal AI platform for automating graphics production, now commercially available for professional broadcasting applications. Digital Domain is actively working on VFX for a Minecraft movie, with VFX supervisor Piotr Karwaz and senior animation supervisor Liz Bernard leading combat-ready avatar development. South Plains College is enhancing its cinematography program with advanced virtual production capabilities, including new initiatives for developing virtual production environments that integrate AI-driven avatar systems for educational purposes. Virtual beings are making significant inroads into healthcare delivery systems. A research study published in Frontiers examined the effects of immersive virtual reality and telemedicine-based multi-component interventions, utilizing 3D facial models generated by adapting Microsoft Rocketbox avatar library for therapeutic applications. Decope's telehealth clinic employs virtual avatar systems where Administrator Mahbubur Rahman serves as technician and troubleshooter, demonstrating practical implementation of avatar-assisted healthcare delivery in resource-limited settings. Corporate environments are increasingly adopting virtual beings for operational efficiency. HPE CFO Myers has successfully integrated agentic AI into the finance sector, achieving a reported 20% efficiency gain through AI-powered virtual assistants and automated financial processes. YouLearn.ai, launched by EdTech veteran Kirti Prakash Mishra, is building AI learning infrastructure for 1 billion students, featuring teacher avatars designed to help educators scale themselves and monetize knowledge through virtual instruction delivery. Adya is preparing to launch its super agent on July 15, featuring AI employees, agents, taking on specialized job roles including marketing, sales, code development, and research, representing a significant leap in agentic AI implementation. Virtual beings technology is being leveraged for cultural preservation initiatives. Google is expanding its AI push in India across agricultural and cultural heritage landscapes, using AI-driven avatar systems to enrich cultural data preservation. The Shisha Imperial Tombs in Yinchuan, now a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site, are utilizing AI restoration technology to create virtual representations of historical figures and cultural artifacts, demonstrating how virtual beings can bridge historical preservation with modern accessibility. Meta has introduced significant avatar integration across its platforms. Zoom Quest app now transforms users into Meta avatars during VR video calls on Quest VR devices, replacing traditional camera feeds with personalized virtual representations. Meta's Reality Labs division continues investing billions in AI and metaverse development, with director Sarah Malkin leading entertainment content initiatives that integrate virtual beings into social communication platforms. The metaverse ecosystem is projected to exceed $800 billion by 2028, blending augmented reality, virtual spaces, and blockchain technology with sophisticated avatar systems for social interaction. The AI avatar market is projected to reach $63.5 billion by 2034, driven by accelerating virtual reality and augmented reality platforms that deliver highly immersive avatar experiences. Virtual's Protocol, Virtual, demonstrates strong market potential with price charts showing 139% gain potential, reflecting investor confidence in virtual beings applications. AWS is reportedly preparing to launch an AI agent marketplace, with corporate avatars already being used to deliver quarterly results presentations, indicating mainstream adoption of virtual beings in corporate communications and financial reporting. Several entertainment-focused virtual being applications emerge from this content, including meta-human technology from Unreal Engine forums, which features high-fidelity hair assets and groom systems for creating realistic digital characters. Ready Player Me avatars are mentioned as tools for YouTube content creation, though users report functionality issues and outdated systems. Gaming applications include NPC, non-player character, modifications and expansions, such as Blade and Sorcery Nomad mod NPCs expanded, and various NPC battle content on YouTube, indicating active community development of synthetic characters for interactive entertainment. BitHuman represents a significant case study, showing how they scaled digital human creation 10x faster using Cerebrium's serverless AI infrastructure platform. This demonstrates technological advancement in virtual being production efficiency. Additionally, AI virtual human testing uses multiple platforms including Flux for photorealistic character generation, HighField, and Udio, indicating a multi-tool approach to creating synthetic beings with realistic appearances and capabilities. Forward deployment engineer positions at DeepMind focus on applied AI for developing novel applications leveraging Google's generative AI models, suggesting enterprise-level virtual being development. The Conversation Design Institute discusses virtual humans revolutionizing customer experience, led by Guido Jongen with over 20 years in customer service, indicating practical business applications of synthetic characters in customer service environments. A significant concern emerges around securing identity in a world shared with virtual humans, presented as a 6-hour security discussion focusing on user experience and biometric authentication challenges. This highlights the emerging need for identity verification systems that can distinguish between human and synthetic entities in shared digital environments. E2, International Telecommunication Union, work on factors and framework for digital human customization indicates international standardization efforts for virtual being development. Additionally, digital human modeling applications in health, safety, ergonomics, and risk management suggest broader industrial applications beyond entertainment. Various platforms support virtual being development, including Unreal Engine's MetaHuman system for avatar creation, Google AI Studio for image generation, and multiple YouTube channels dedicated to virtual human content creation. The technical infrastructure spans from gaming engines to cloud-based AI services, indicating a diverse ecosystem supporting virtual being development. A factory specializing in underlayer garments utilized AI digital humans to create short video content that successfully attracted attention, drove traffic, and generated sales. The AI-powered content generation platform Shanxiake Superfactory rapidly produced high-quality live-streamed digital human short video scripts, combining virtual digital human hosts with dynamic presentations to cleverly integrate swimwear functionality with fashion appeal. These short videos quickly gained traction after being published on platforms, demonstrating the effectiveness of virtual humans in product promotion and customer engagement. Guangxi Province has launched significant AI initiatives featuring virtual digital humans, with nearly 100 million yuan in bounty funding for 7 major AI scenario projects. Citizens can interact with the virtual digital human Liu Sanjie, representing a notable example of government adoption of virtual human technology for public engagement. Additionally, Jiangsu Province achieved a milestone with its first Digital Human Plus online bidding service model, where Jiangsu Ziwi an engineering project management company, Limited, successfully implemented an innovative Digital Human Plus one-time bidding competition selection model in its new district, marking the entry of intermediary services into the intelligent era. At the Guangzhou National Archive, virtual digital humans can provide real-time answers about cultural information and historical documents. Provincial Political Consultative Conference member and Guangzhou National Archive Director Zhang Weitao emphasized that in the digital intelligence era, traditional culture's intellectual property faces challenges from rapid technological iteration and expanding communication boundaries, highlighting the role of virtual humans in making sleeping cultural heritage more accessible through technology. The entertainment sector shows prominent adoption of virtual beings, with Taiwanese pop star Chou entering the Douyin platform through his virtual avatar Zhou Tongxue. His debut video used artificial intelligence technology to connect key moments from his childhood to his rise to fame, garnering over 6.3 million likes within 4 hours of release. The gaming industry also features virtual representations, with discussions about player Yang Hansen's virtual image in 2K games, where his performance as an important team member provides the foundation for his virtual gaming representation. Several companies are positioning themselves as leaders in the AI digital human market. Beishangtong AI Digital Human promotes itself as an industry leader with comprehensive application scenarios and full-scale partner support, targeting the growing enterprise demand for intelligent and efficient services. Similarly, Huaxin Jiahua AI Digital Human focuses on helping enterprises create super employees to unlock trillion yuan market increments, emphasizing how AI digital humans can serve as intelligent workforce solutions when cold code is given vivid faces and intelligent souls. The Oris brand created engaging virtual experiences featuring the character Diome, whose cute virtual image performed graceful dances on screen, perfectly synchronized with energetic electronic music to ignite audience enthusiasm and attract numerous fans of both music and gaming. This demonstrates the intersection of virtual beings with gaming culture and esports entertainment. Studies by H. Lee, W. Lee, and T. Ma examine how AI-powered virtual idols' intelligence levels affect digital natives' impulsive buying intentions from a psychological distance perspective, demonstrating their tremendous application potential and high commercial value. Research by J. Chen and Y. Wang indicates that customers perceive AI influencers as providing better user experiences compared to human influencers, particularly in terms of reliability and trustworthiness. The freshness perception of products improves when introduced through various virtual influencers, allowing them to stand out among dense crowds of internet influential individuals. Several studies focus on virtual influencers as emerging marketing forces. Research by H. Xia, Y. Yang, and X. Wang explores how virtual influencers' beauty levels impact consumer reactions, examining the relationship between high beauty traits and perceived threat in consumer contexts. N. Ilyamani's study specifically examines Lil Miquela's multifaceted digital identity, investigating the intricate interplay between identity construction and multimodal communication in the evolving virtual influencers landscape. The research addresses critical gaps in understanding chronotopic layers of virtual authenticity and how these digital entities decode complex identity structures. A Pelicon's exploratory study examines independent VTubers, focusing on avatar, community, and lore aspects within the DI-GRA 2025 conference proceedings. The research investigates VTuber perception through question and answer forums, understanding day-to-day practices of digital avatar-based live streaming. Technical studies by B. Lai and B. C. Lee focus on optimizing real-time multi-layer garment simulation in UE Chaos Cloth, specifically addressing the needs of VTubers and digital fashion creators. Yuo Chilov's research explores coping mechanisms used in VTuber fandom, including statements of loyal dedication, memorializing communities, and promises of reincarnation or replacement concepts. Anoto's study on sustainable marketing communication practices in Nigeria's digital landscape notes that TikTok is upgrading its algorithms to allow businesses to deploy virtual influencers, described as AI clones or deepfake avatars, who will promote and sell products through videos and live streams. L. Konzak's research examines generative AI's transformative impact on media production in advertising, film, and television through Jean Baudrillard's concept of simulacra, analyzing how GAI technologies increasingly affect media creation processes. Virtual beings significantly impact fashion marketing and consumer behavior. Zhou's research on social media and fashion marketing highlights how virtual influencers facilitate the evolution of influencer marketing, providing fashion brands with more opportunities to retain control over influencer-created content while minimizing issues with sourcing traditional influencers. Y. Lee, W. Choi, and Y. Lee's study examines digital twin displays and sustainability messaging impacts on consumer product evaluations in online retail, specifically mentioning consumer relationships with virtual influencers on social media platforms and their perceived authenticity despite not being actual people. C. Hesselbein and P. Borey's work on infrastructures of reality, metaverse stories, spaces, bodies, examines how metaversal technologies fundamentally affect spaces and bodies, with virtual beings playing crucial roles in these transformations. The research indicates that virtual beings are increasingly integrated into broader discussions about digital identity, consumer behavior, technological authenticity, and the evolving relationship between human and artificial entities in digital spaces. So you never miss out on new videos and help our content reach more awesome people like you. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.